Nice man from Custom Cruise. You see here we're starting to stick the Glide Pro top mount on. We've connected up basically all the sensors, your injectors. These are for your compression releases. Okay, got to put the fuel pipe on here, your temperature head sensor. Then this will go on here, connect up to here. Okay, so we're basically converting this into a 124 EFI. Okay, the opposite to what I normally do. All your TPS leads, everything connected. This is the main loom. So we're going to take off the old loom. This is your old Twin-Tech loom. Sorry, your old Thunderheart loom, which ran the carburetor. There's a few wires here that we're going to take off and basically run all this to the new ECU. Okay, so we've got this bit here to go to the ECU. As you can see here, it's going to be an awesome bike. We've got the Baker 6-speed going on. We've got the S&S T124. This is actually a TUV motor, which gives it masses of bottom end power, top torque, 110 foot-pounds of torque at 2,700 revs. So although it ain't crazy fast like you need it on a bagger, you can see here's a Vulcan Engineering bracket, or Palco, sorry, this is a Palco bracket I modified to come through the top. Because officially the Palco bracket, you've got to get two nuts in here, which to be honest with you, I can't see how the hell you're supposed to do that. So we counterboard these and put the thing on through there. But to get a spanner in here, absolutely ridiculous. But anyway, another mod we got here. You can see here, this is the air compressor, so I can blow my rear shocks up and down. In here I've got the compressor, and that runs these airtail shocks, which are behind the boxes obviously. Let me check swinging arm, keeps it going. Electric baffle Peacemaker exhaust, absolutely awesome, been on 9 years. The Peacemaker's amazing national cycle product. They are stopping making it, so I would advise you to get one now, because once they've gone, they've gone. But awesome 124 S&S, just trying to work out the wiring at the moment to stick this EFI system on. And I've got to admit, these baggers are awesome. Check the brakes, I've got 13-inch discs, I've got billet 6s on. And like I say, we've basically got to do this, install the fuel pump somewhere, high pressure pump, and then a regulator, and we're ready to go. Just putting a 45 amp alternator on this baby as well. So like the Velva, you know, Velva ride on the front here, Velva ride on the top here, should be an awesome ride. Got a Drag Specialties one in the front, but I might fit it for a Glide Pro. The Glide Pro, amazing people showing you how to set up your chassis alignment as well, which I've been watching. Now just got to get 2 lasers tomorrow, and then we'll be off to sort that out. Nice to know it's a pretty simple job to do, using the 2 lasers and the Bixa 4x2, or you know, 4x2 alley. So if you're interested in any conversions, whether it's EFI to carb, carb to EFI, you know, to me this VFI S&S system is amazing. It really is. I've always gone for carbs, but since I've had this VFI system on my mate's bike, just unbelievable power and unbelievable torque all the time. Okay, TUV 124 motors, great motors from S&S. Peak out about 4,500 revs, but the torque is unbelievable. And if you speak to the guys at Tech, they say it's got gobs of power. Anyway, fit these everything FXR as well, you know, or whatever bike you want, as long as it's a Tourer or a rubber mount motor. Mike at CustomCruisers.com, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, CustomCruisers.com if you want to know about all the crazy mods I've done to this thing. You know, we've got these for Kuriakin mounts, these are for actually tie downs. LED indicators going in there in a bit. HID conversion and headlight, which is absolutely amazing. You just basically got to mount this box here for the HID. And to be honest, I wouldn't touch a new bagger if you give it to me. I really wouldn't. These old bikes, the Evos, amazing. When you upgrade them to like Baker 6, Spike Starter, and you really cannot get a better bike. And also on the new bikes, if you notice, the screen is a lot higher. See, people like me can't see it. I've got the sweeper bars going on, see these come back. So same cables, but as you can see, they sweep back more. So if you shorten the leg like me, you can adjust the old up and down on the rear suspension. Okay, and just awesome bikes. Give us a bell, 01773835666, CustomCruisers.com, on the new site, CustomCruisers.eu. And there will be a lot going on with my FXR here. Okay, this FXR is going to have FXRP boards fitted. It's going to have some twin discs put on. You know, masses of gear done to this as well. Metma checks possibly, better rear brake. It's got a billet 6 on the front. It's going to have twin brakes. And apart from that, you know, a couple of decent rubber mounts, etc. Possibly custom cycle components, swinging arm conversion as well, like mine's got. But anyway, give us a bell. Thank you.